Welcome to the channel, where we test ride dreams on rubber. Today's subject, the 2024 Lexus Rx350H. A hybrid SUV promising both green vibes and city slickness. Can it truly harmonize these seemingly opposite worlds? Buckle up, let's find out. Interior. First things first, the look. Lexus has ditched the curvy curves for a sharper, more chiseled design. Spindle grille still there, but now it's like a samurai mask. Sleek headlights flanking it like watchful eyes. Inside, it's luxury all the way. Buttery leather, wood accents that whisper Japanese zen, and enough space to make even a sumo wrestler comfy. This ain't your Prius, it's a first-class cabin on wheels. Performance now. The heart of the beast, a hybrid combo of V6 and electric motors churning out 306 horses, enough to make this not-so-little SUV hustle. 0 to 60 in 7.7 seconds. Yeah, it bites when you press the pedal. But here's the twist. While you're leaving others in your dust, you're also getting around 36 miles per gallon combined. Eco-friendly bragging rights achieved. And the tech, top-notch infotainment system, crisp heads-up display, safety features like a guardian angel. You're driving smart, driving safe, and driving in style. So, does the RX350H truly harmonize harmony and hustle? The answer is kinda. In the city, it's a silent warrior, gliding through traffic with electric grace. But on the open road, it unleashes its inner beast, purring with power as you devour the miles. It's like having two cars in one, the Zen Master for daily commutes and the Samurai Spirit for weekend getaways. Thanks for watching.